Everything's working, I hope at least so. Hello, everyone, what's up, how it's going, and so on and so forth. So, Polish memes, am I right? One of the main Polish memes out there is basically Bobr. Bobr, kurwa, jak pierdolę bydle. And everything like that. And I wanted to create something on this theme. But also, I wanna do Haskell. Because Haskell, there is not really a lot of content out there, video content, that uses Haskell. So let's fix this problem. We need to do Haskell programming with Bobbers, Bobber kurwa. How do we mix this stuff? Actually, kind of interesting thing that some animals look like bobbers. For example, also like drone animals. Animals that look like beaver. Who didn't know? Bobber in English is beaver. First of all, Perry the platypus. Just platypus, but let it be Perry. Doesn't this guy look like Bobber? Doesn't. I think he looks kind of similar to Bobber. Like with his nose. Yeah. Also, according to this site called wildlifeinformer.com, American mink, river otter, quokka, capybaras look like beavers? Hell nah. Okay. Groundhogs and muskrats look like beavers. So, there are animals that look like beavers, but are not actually beavers. Could you imagine that? I couldn't neither. So, let's try to teach people how to differentiate beaver from not a beaver. And let's create a game. Is that beaver or not? In Haskell, game dev in Haskell. Could you imagine that in 2024? But how to create games in Haskell? Like, I mean, let's try to Google something. Google game. Actually, there is something. Damn it. Pretty poke, isn't it? Let's see what it is. Graphics, gloss, interface, gloss, I'm not sure. Terminal game. Wow, that's pretty poke. Ticks per second. But that's hard, isn't it? I think it's pretty hard. And there is actually a pretty fascinating library called h-raylib. Is it h-raylib.com? Yeah. It is h-raylib.com. It's pretty poke library for game developing, like 2D, 3D stuff, and all of that, which is pretty simple. It's written in C, so its main focus is on C. But people also do bindings for this library on different languages. And one of the bindings that I work with for h-raylib and Haskell is h-raylib. Why that? Oh, yeah, it's in here. Let it be H. Haskell h-raylib, h-raylib. Okay, h-raylib. h-raylib bindings for Haskell. Cool, in it. I forgot to turn on music. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Okay, I hope music works. Let me check. Yeah, music works. Probably. Let's see how to use this library. So we have readme. which is pretty cool because a lot of Haskell packages on Hackage, at least, not sure about other, but on Hackage are lacking readme at freaking all. It is really sad when I want to use something and I need to spend shit ton of time trying to investigate how this stuff works by freaking reading the source code. Bad example. By freaking reading the source code. See? Source code. And this, oh my gosh. We'll get back to that probably at some point. But here I have readme. Wow. I'm genuinely happy that I have this thing. Not that I'm gonna really use it, but let's create a project. CD programming, Haskell. How would we name it? Is it a beaver.hs? Defis hs. Is that a beaver hs? Let's cabal needed. It's cabal initialized. Let's edit is that a beaver.hs .cabal file. Short description of a package. Game about guessing whether. Is it spelled like that? I hope so. I at least I hope on something. Let me believe that I'm right. Game about guessing whether animal on image is a beaver or not, because I have whether and it should be or not, probably, I'm not sure. Longer description is not needed at all, because who cares, URL, no URL for bug reports, just fix it. I don't want bug reports, I want fixes. Just send me pull request and I'm gonna be happy. The license under which is the package is released. License. MIT. I'm gonna be general. It's gonna be MIT. Copyright notice. Copyright. Copyleft. Nice. Category. Games. Is it how it works? We'll see. Other modules included in this executable. I don't care about this now. I don't care about language extensions now, but we'll see in that later. So we need to use h-raylib. Let's copy it from example. h-raylib. And when we run it should download everything and compile. That's actually a lot of dependencies. So we gotta wait. I probably need some timer to measure time. I'm gonna look into that after stream if I don't forget. Let's now edit references file. So today is the day of 25/04/24, exactly 1 week after I streamed last time. Well, 1 week and a half a day. Let's put h-raylib in here. Let's put this one in here. Vim, stop being Vim, please. I should probably increase size of. Yeah, I should definitely do this. Let me increase size to 15. That's good enough. That's good enough. Probably, I hope at least. Okay. Haskell raylib bindings. Raylib game library written in C. Folk. 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 Like dog. The dog. Ah, folk. It still didn't build everything. Why is it compiling text? Ah, it's version 2.1.1. I didn't use version 2.1.1 yet. But today is the day. Today is the day, guys. I don't know, let's stop. Stop or something. Something or something. Wow. Do I have B-top? Two small peppy hands. Let's increase update rate. Look at these numbers go. And that's all because I'm not using interpreted language. If only I was using some really good language, interpreted like Python or JavaScript, I wouldn't need to wait so long for some libraries. Who even uses libraries, like compiled libraries? Like, it's cringe. Oh my god. We need to stop. Let's go to purely to scripting languages. Bash files for Windows, Bash files for Linux, Python files for servers, and JavaScript files for something else. I have no idea what is the use case of JavaScript in 2023, 4, 5, in any year. I have no idea how would one use JavaScript. It is still compiling, oh my god. My PC isn't that old, guys. I mean, it's not really cool. I can show you. Got rock info. See, I have Intel R, Pentium R, Gold G5 5600 CPU, 3.9 gigahertz. That's quite a lot, isn't it? Siblings 4, whatever that means. Do I have any useful information here? Well, I have processor 1, processor 0, 1, 2, and 3. Like, I have 4 processors. I mean, I have 2 kernels. Is it how it's called in English? Kernels. I have 2 kernels and 4 processors, 4 threads. Exactly as btop and htop says. Say, there are 2 of them. Okay, it's already been building h-raylib, so it built every dependency, right? Yeah, it has built everything, and now it's building h-raylib. I don't know, like LBPS, query rs, not Rust, but remote search, no, remote short timer. Handy timer for steeping tea, yo, what the hell, yo, what the hell, oh my god, isn't that a reference? Isn't that a reference? Let's... press install password. This is my password. I'm not leaking my password, by the way. Is that so on? What is this? Time, seconds. I see some like this one. What is this? I have no idea what is this. Maybe it's like custom T is now ready. Oh, oh, oh. So, yo, this is kind of fascinating, isn't it? But what I was thinking about, like, where was it? Handy timer for steeping tea. First of all, I thought it was kind of reference for compiled. I'll be back to our topic of the stream in a second. I've seen tracks and so on. So it is also a timer. Loading? Yeah, so on. Yeah, looks like this. Much better. Let's reference it. Yo, I already had browser opened. Let's reference that timer in references. Loading crafted timer for steeping tea. Is how is it spelled? Huh, okay. So, programming Haskell is the beaver.hs /hs defease hs .hs, and we can run it, and it says hello Haskell because main hs is saying hello Haskell. How to use this library? Happily, author provided us examples, because without examples, using this one would be absolutely freaking impossible. At least in my experience, in my opinion, humble opinion, and everything like that. Why can't I just go to here? Finally, examples. Let's see example. Basic where? Basic window src. Basic window, by the way. See how much stuff we need to import. Like, oh my god, why? Why do I need to load this? Not load. I probably shouldn't use that word. Of stuff just to create a freaking simple window. Basic window, right? But fine, sure. Now I can't see shit. Okay. Module where? Okay, so other uses options, warning all, language template Haskell. I have no idea why does he use template Haskell, but sure, whatever. I don't have, no way I don't have language servers set up in here. Oh my god. I don't have language server set up in here. Like, I mean, that's not bad, but I need to type every word all by myself. Too much work. too much work, guys. Sorry. I am using Vim, not to like be slow and type all of the words and remember them. I am using Vim to be fast. Like here, there. Like, I mean, could you delete everything like pressing only 4 buttons and restore everything using only one? Can your Emacs do that? Can your Emacs do that? I don't freaking think so. Kind of fun. We need to import a lot of stuff. Let's import all of it. Raylib or clear background. To clear background, we need window to init window, set target FPS, set target FPS to set target FPS. Yeah. Window should close to check whether window should be closed. What is this? GitHub, why are you being like that? I don't want this. Oh, guys, you know what I can do? Do you know what I can freaking do? I can just go to git directory and I can't. Sorry, I betrayed you. Like, I cannot be trusted anymore. I can't. I just can't. I'm so sorry, guys. Raylib. No, this is itchy. Haskell plugins for Raylib. Sure, whatever. Copy. Paste. Depth 1. Also called shallow clone something. I definitely need to work on my pronunciation. Yes, I have examples now. Isn't it POC? I think it's pretty POC. Let's actually vertical split on git h-raylib examples basic window basic window src main.hs. Okay, I can copy paste everything in here right now with much more ease. Close window is used to close window and free all of allocated stuff. I probably need to call it sometime. The window should close checks if whether window should be closed. Draw text. Let me just copy paste. Raylib checks draw text to draw text. In example, where is it? Basic Raylib window, right? Raylib util drawing Raylib application window resources. Yeah, it is basically util. So I'm gonna probably explain you why and how, but I'm not sure whether I will. We'll see how it goes. Drawing Raylib application window resources light green, white colors. We imported all colors. It is some. Did they actually update h-raylib? Did they actually freaking update it? Because I don't remember it being so different, right? Okay. Probably different example or something. What examples do we have? We have examples for. I'm not sure whether you can see anything with these colors. let's try to darker. Yeah, much better. And if I put it like pitch black, or oh no, pitch black hurts my eyes. Yeah, it's better. This one's pretty cool. And this one is useless. This one isn't cool. Do I have? I probably had game uploaded. Linux clicker HS. HS. Yeah, exactly. Sorry guys, sorry. Yeah, this is not easier. Let's see how this stuff works. Let's try to see. My example, like pretty old example, is there any date? 8 months ago. Oh my god, I didn't know a damn thing about Haskell back then. Okay. So you with window is a function. Can I go to a package? No, I can't go to a package. Ah, it is here. Let's see where I imported with window. I imported with window from nowhere. That is really cool. Okay, let's h-raylib core. With no, it's not in here. Probably in utils. h-raylib util. With window, exactly. Let's use documentation. Examples are for losers, aren't they? Like this and like that and like it was fine. With window, we need to provide integer which is windows with windows with window height and window title and target FPS. Yo, pretty pop. With window which is in h-raylib util. I'm not sure whether I need to import it, but okay. With window with wdp with height and title. I can do it like that. Let's call it is that behavior Bobr OMG behavior in Polish. Bobr. I don't think Haskell will be able to handle this kind of stuff, but is it Bobr OMG like that. Documentation is here. Then we need to provide target FPS. Let target FPS be 29. And window function from window resources to monad be monad, which is monad IO, and monad mass of B. Okay, so we need to provide function. Sure, let's provide a function. Okay, yes, as we can. I don't remember how that works. Let me pick a little bit in here because I don't know Haskell. So okay, so I've just I see. Who is it's streamer started streaming, but I'm also streaming or something. So yeah. In Haskell, everyone is talking about how Python doesn't like you to put different spaces everywhere, like where you want. But no one is talking how in Haskell, if you do the same absolutely same thing, I'll show you a little bit later what I'm talking about. And like, for example, didn't do it like this and did it like that, like it's a little bit off. But Haskell will like tell you like, you stupid man, stop doing like this like that. Okay, and we need to have a function that takes window, whatever that window is, yo that is actually quite interesting. So I provide a function which is executed once for the int main in C, quotes. Then I provide a monadic operation, right? Monadic while window open. What does while window open return? Let's see. While window open. It's not here. While window open. Window should close. Yeah. So in C, author provide only one function. Like, window should close. So you always do like while not like exclamation mark window should close and your loop. But this guy went like deeper. He provided us with a function that is window should close. He provided us with is it me? Probably I just can't type. Or is it GitHub being like to GitHub? Window should close. Provide me example. Yeah, exactly what I wanted to do, to see. Window should close of IO bool. And do we have somewhere here? No, we don't. Okay, let's use window should close. Let's use window should close, which is IO bool. And this is basically useless for us because we need while. Oh my god, I forgot how to use this library. Absolutely freaking forgot. Was it utils? Please. While window open, yeah. While window open. We have function while window open that takes a function from A to monad A, where monad A is monad IO, takes A, like initial state of some sort, and returns you MA, which was returned by this function. Do you understand? Like, probably you can see like game thing now. But you here provide a function from A to MA, you here provided A, and it will return MA. Understandable? Understandable. Have a great day. Also, we have function while window open underscore, which doesn't return you A from MA, but just returns IO monad, like it returns monad IO monad, but IO monad, who cares? And we have while window open 0, which takes this thing and returns this thing. I have no idea how to use this function. I'm looking at this and I don't understand, but fine, whatever. Let's use, we don't really care about our result of program in general. We care only about being able to execute stuff. So let's use while window open. Yeah. It should be something like this, right? We don't have result, but let's still accept it. I'm still in my own code, like why am I caring? I need to provide function that accepts window and does. What does it do? Yeah, like that. What does this function do? It does while window open. Let's for now take the result. And in while window open, it has lambda function. Okay, whatever. And does, what does it do? It does drawing. Drawing, from what I can tell from seeing here, yeah, I can just do. No, I can't. I'm using function drawing. Let's see what function drawing is all about. Drawing comes from h-raylib util. Where is h-raylib util? h-raylib util is in here. Where is drawing? I want to draw something. Drawing. This one takes monad B and returns monad B. Let's read source. Right? Drawing. Lift IO begin drawing, lift IO end drawing. So this function basically gets stuff that we want it to do and wraps it around these two functions, begin drawing and end drawing, because in original source code if we look at cheat sheet, there is begin drawing and end drawing, begin drawing and end drawing. And to be more convenient for users who can't type 2 more words, author of this library created a really good and very useful function, drawing. I'm sorry for people who are like are staring at this line of code and being like, why did you freaking do this mistake? Why don't you fix it? I didn't fix it because I didn't see it. All right, understandable. I hope it's so. Do what? Do clear background. I'm using here type constructor, but I have ray white in here. Let's use ray white in here. Ray white. I want to draw text. What text want I draw? I want to draw something like hello IO monad. Right? Good enough. I guess good enough. But what does function draw text accept? Draw text is placed in raylib core text. Draw text, it accepts string, int, color IO. Useless. Still useless. Fine. Okay, it accepts string. Good enough. It accepts what we want to draw. Then it accepts some integer. What integer does it accept? I have no idea. Let's see source code of library that we are using that underlies raylib bindings, Haskell bindings. Raylib cheat sheet. Draw text. Draw text. It accepts string, pose x, pose y, font size and color. Draw text. Position is gonna be like I don't know what's position. Let's vdt div2 hgt div2 div1 div2 size is gonna be 20 and what else? Color. And color is gonna be red or red. Let's write like this. Yeah. Let's try to compile it. I need to programming Haskell. Bigger. This is not gonna work because I didn't provide width and height. VDP equals 720. HGHT equals 720. Did I do everything correctly? Let me check. I provided this one. Bim bim bam bam. Return! We need to return! Of course we need to return. We draw everything and we now need to return. What are we going to return? We're going to return 1, 0 because I want so. We don't really use anything. Like here we don't discard everything that we passed in. So sure, whatever. Pam. Now we need to pass something because here we accept something. Here, after accepting something, we need to pass something into while window open function because let's return to definition. We accept function from a to ma, which is this one, and we accept a, which is which we didn't provide. Let's provide it now, which is for example 1, right? Fine, I guess. Cool. By the way, let's look inside. of this function. While window open, function state calls to while window open, function state. It calls to another while window open. This one. Function state. Do new state. Function state. See? Should close blah blah blah, not needed. While window open is not a loop. While window open is a recursive function. Recursive main loop. Not only recursive main game loop or game main loop. Have you ever seen anywhere in programming except like in Haskell somebody using recursion to create while loops? Personally I haven't. But like probably can. I didn't check for quite some time whether everything's working, everything's working. Cool. Let's try to compile. I have no idea whether it's gonna work. About run C language template Haskell. Template Haskell. Oh my god. The last statement in the do block must be an expression. Yes. Expression in Haskell is something that expresses something. Hold on a second. What's wrong? We don't return from window. Am I right? We don't return from window. Window do, and here we have expression. See, like we here like do, and then we have expression, write file. Okay, sure. Let's have an expression. Close window. Is close window function? It is already closed, probably. Let me see. While window open, GitHub, stop being GitHub, please. Should close, the window should close. No, it doesn't. Sure, we can have close window. What is type of close window? Close window. Useless. h-raylib core. Close window. It accepts window resources. Useful? I don't know. Let's try to compile it nonetheless. Variable not in scope while window open. While window open is not in scope because we didn't include it. While window open was placed in h-raylib utils. While window open. Compiling, it tells that we have an error because we didn't provide actual context, right? Yo, isn't that bogus? It's like been only 49 minutes, only 49 minutes, guys, only 49 minutes, and we already compiled hello IOManet in Haskell. Isn't that poke? I think it's pretty poke. Oh my god, I need to stop. Pointer. Something is leaking. Haskell is not memory safe language. Oh my god, NSA is gonna find me and ban me. No, it's not gonna find me. I'm in Russia. In Siberia. Good luck with trying to find me. Cool. We have hello world, but we need to do more than hello world to create a game, let's not forget that we are creating a game. Is that beaver or not? Let's try to think how our game is gonna look like, right? Let's play like that. My paint. We are gonna have a window exactly this shape. Just kidding. We're gonna have a photo of beaver or not. Like, how do beavers look like? It like they have tail, they have like body, so they have legs, like mouse, the eyes. Beaver, yeah, beavers look like exactly like that. Yeah, beaver. And we're gonna have like two buttons. Yes and no. Let me actually do this one. Take me. Where are colors? I want colors. Colors. Yo, swivel. Bright. Red. No. Bum. And green. Yes. Oba. This is how my game is gonna look like. Cool? You know it's cool? I think it's pretty cool. Damn, I wanna drink. Let's try to create this one. So we have what do we have? One big box with an image, one big box with yes, and one big box with no. Let's start from creating box with yes and box with no. No, don't save. I don't care. Sorry. If you wanted to save my drawing like on the background of your screen wallpaper, unfortunately you won't be able to do this because I deleted it. You won't be able to do that. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Next time I will not save it either. That's just how life goes. I'm so sorry. No, I'm not. Okay. We need to draw a rectangle. Green rectangle and red rectangle. We already included red. We already are using red. Let's now use green. Draw rectangle. Where does this function live? Can I use Google for that? Useless. Google search help. Count, repeat, Haskell, Frege. What is Frege? I don't know what's Frege. Like a refrigerator? Refrigerator? I don't know. Can I search Google for rail? It says that there is such a package, but okay. We need to draw a rectangle. Where is draw rectangle function? h-raylib. Go to file. It's like different, but let's try. Draw rectangle. Yeah, it does work like that. Draw rectangle. Yeah, draw rectangle, which is placed in raylib core shapes. Nice. Import raylib core shapes. Draw rectangle. Let's get dimmed. Let's draw rectangle. Where are we gonna draw rectangle at? How? First of all, how? Draw rectangle, draw rectangle, draw rectangle. It accepts POSIX, POSIGREC, POSIX, POSIGREC, width and height and color. XY, VH, C. XY, VHC. So X is gonna be somewhere like 10. Y is gonna be like HGHT minus, I don't know. What's gonna be height? Height is gonna be like 40. So that's 50. Width is gonna be VDT. Oh my god. 4 hertz for some reason. I don't know why. Div 2 minus 1 minus 10. And height is gonna be 40 as intended. Color is gonna be green. Let's set make project equals cabal run make. Yeah, cool, exactly as I wanted. Now let's create another one, but red. It's gonna be red. Height 40 with same, but X position is gonna be 10. D blue. This one. But instead, oh my god, oh my god, what skill issue. I accidentally pressed caps lock. I need to disable it. Basically useless key. Who uses caps except for SQL developers? Even they, from what I have seen, even SQL developers don't really use caps. Useless key. Let's remove it. 10 plus with the 10 div 2 plus this nuts. Yes, it works like a little bit. I need to move it a little bit more to it. Don't use this plus then. Still not perfect. Let's use it like this. Yeah, nice. Perfectly disbalanced spacing. I love it. I'm not gonna fix it at all. Green. Great. Yes. Now we need to probably add text. Do we need to add text? I think we need to add text. Oh, ooh. Draw text. Can I let, for example, button VDT equal to this one. In this thingy. Is it somehow possible? What does it say? Possibly incorrect indentation. Of course it is. Ah! I broke everything. Now I need to set make progress again. Wait. Oh. Oh. Ah. It is do block. I don't care about this thing. Like, see this do. Do you see this do? I hope you see this do. Within do blocks, I don't need to care about all of this shit. I can program like sequentially. Yes. Wait, did it work? Same not working spacing. Yeah, because I see. Okay, I see. Fine. That's fine. Yes. Okay. Procedural programming. Yeah. Programming procedurally in purely functional programming language. I love it. I love it. No, I don't. But I love it. Cool. Let's write some text. Draw text. Yes. We're gonna with height 35 at position divide by 4 with height being height minus 50 plus 10. Let's just see how it's gonna work. A little bit to left and a little bit upper. Gonna be perfect. A little bit to left, we're gonna do it like this, minus 15. Let's create an actually variable. Spacing. Let's replace all 15 to spacing. Global. Check. Yes, yes. The same, but with tens now. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I moved it a bit left, and now I need to move it a bit upper. Height minus 50 plus spacing. So height minus 50 minus spacing. Ah. No. Height minus. Oh yeah, sure. Size of text is 35. So a bit. Who cares? Who cares? I'm not a web developer. I shouldn't care about it, at least right now, because my code isn't production ready, unfortunately. As you can see, when I close it, it's like double free detected. Not good at all. So okay, nice. I have yes. Now we need to no. Divided by not by 4. Well, I mean I can leave it but divided by 4, but multiply by 3. So like I'm moving it first to left and then 3 times that to left. Do you understand? Let me to left, which is for you to right. for left. Yeah, I'm looking at camera to like see where I'm putting it. To left, and then multiplying that to left by 3 times. So it's gonna be like a bit here and a bit more here than it was before, previously. And color is gonna be opposite, green. Don't you like it? Don't you like this beautiful everything? Even this not fitting button with this really badly counted measured spaces. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. Nice, nice. Now I need to somehow load images. Imagine loading images into memory in 2020 freaking 4. How is this function? How is this load image? I don't want to struggle. See this code? Do you see this code? It loads image, then passes the image into load texture from image. Actually quite interesting. Yo, I finally understand what's of that. Okay, so I'm loading an image, and load image returns me some sort of IO monet. I'm giving it to another IO monetic function, load texture from image, and it returns me IO from IO texture, IO with texture, and I'm unwrapping that IO with texture to Tux texture, and at least in here. Okay, fine, let's download image of a beaver. Bobr. Oh. Look at this dude. Isn't he pretty boy? Don't you like this pretty boy? Dirty. Pretty boy. Save image as programming. Haskell. Is that a beaver? Write into a folder named beavers. Bobr is gonna be Bobr 01. So our first Bobr. Bobr. Now we need to load it somehow. Not in here. Let's Bobr txt, not like text file, but texture. Bobr txt is load image that is placed in where is it placed? Beavers. Beavers, yeah. Beavers, Bobr, O1, JPEG. Nice. And then I need to draw texture. Let's see how draw texture works. Draw texture gets. I need to use draw texture X. Textures, yeah, finally. Draw texture X in here. It accepts texture, position as vector 2, rotation, scale, and tint. Okay. Let's use it. Draw right here. Oops. Oopsie doopsie. Someone made an oopsie doopsie. Maybe a little bit of a fucky wucky. Yeah. Exactly what I wanted. Texture. What is our texture? Our texture is Bobr. 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 Position is vector 2. I'm not even sure. Yeah, everything works, everything works. Vector 2 of position is gonna be spacing and spacing, because I want it like to be in the upper left, right? So spacing plus spacing should be fine. Now rotation is gonna be 0, scale is gonna be scale. What is the scale? We need to calculate scale somehow. Let it be all 5 for now. And tint is gonna be white. White. We need to import white, not gray white, but general white. We need to also import vector 2. Where is vector 2? A bit. Yep. Okay. Where is vector 2 definition? I need vector freaking 2. Shapes? Nah. Core? Dream about it. Util? Nah, not util. Definitely not util. Types. Types. Exactly. Prick. Can I please vector? Yeah, vector 2. Ah. Raylib type score. Vector 2 has two fields, vector 2 x and y, which are float. My spine is gonna hurt. Raylib core. Vector 2. Who cares? Compiler refactoring. Raylib core doesn't export vector 2. Who exports? Raylib types. What even is this? Raylib types. Exactly. Sure, whatever. Import Raylib types for vector 2. Compiler refactoring. So I have error on variable not in scope load image, because load image is placed somewhere. Raylib core textures. Different button. Wrong button. Raylib core. I don't have even textures. Oh my god. Raylib core textures. Load image. And after loading image, I didn't. I need to run texture from image. Also, texture from this thing is this. In Haskell are making function that takes both arguments on the right to function that takes one argument on the left and one argument on the right. This is useful when you need to pass. Let me show you an example. GCI. In example, I have function div, which gets two arguments and returns an argument. Result. Div like 4 by 2 is gonna be 2. But what if I have an array from I have an array and I want to divide each one of these values by 2. I will need to write some function, lambda function like that. It's not really convenient in my opinion and in other people's opinion too, so they made it like that. So you can do for div 2 is 2. So now you can remove all of this crap and transform this function to this one and have basically same with much less stuff using only syntactic sugar. Got bloat, there's much less bloat. Cool, in my opinion at least. Okay, so we have now texture. Let's try to recompile. Still doesn't work. h-raylib core textures doesn't take. I'm kinda yippy. I'm streaming for over than 1 hour and 10 minutes. I didn't sleep for quite a long time. It was really. I was writing an exam today. I wanna relax. Auga. Okay, I think I'm gonna load this image. And that's it for today. Okay, let me load this image, just play it, and this is gonna be it for today. I wanted to do a bit more stuff, but using Haskell, if you are an experienced developer as me, as I am, is kind of hard and uncomfortable. Okay. Image to texture. Load texture from image. And what do I do? Load. It needs to be load. Load. Is it better? I guess so. So what doesn't it like now? Variable not in scope, array white. Where am I using array white? In here. Who cares about array white when we have general white? Variable not in scope, draw texture X. h-raylib temp. Yes. In the import of h-raylib core textures. Data constructor not in scope, vector 2 from int to vector 2. h-raylib type score, didn't I already do it? h-raylib type score vector 2. Yes. What's wrong? Huh? Or should I do it like this? Is because it like it is function, so it does some shady stuff. Nah, hell nah. How do I vector 2? I need vector 2. Where are examples? Where are my examples? Images? Assets is not. Vector 2, vector 2. Oh my god, Haskell is as convenient as always. Yeah, wait. Couldn't match an expected type int with actual type float in second argument of minus, namely spacing. Because button width wants to be integer. And I need a way to get integer from float. From float. From integral. Integer. Nah. I don't remember how to do this one in Haskell. Let's Google it. Float to int. Exactly. From fractional to integer, it is from integral, and float to int is float to int, of course. Whatever. Whatever. Even more type checking. Variable not in scope float to int. Do I need to? Oh no. Let me cast. Let me cast spacing to float. Spacing is of type float. It didn't get better because expected type int to float. Let's now have spacing f and spacing where spacing in general is integer. So where does it want integer? Let's compile it and then see. Couldn't match expected type will jump here. It wants float. It works. It doesn't show beaver. Data is not valid to load texture. Data format not supported. Oh my gosh. Why? Data format not supported. I need to use Linux magic. Programming Haskell. Is it a beaver HS? Beavers. Convert beaver Bobr 1 to Bobr 1 PNG. Bobr is pig. Why is it unsupported, by the way? I thought like it was supported. JPEGs. Please. Yes! Look at this dude! Look at this dude! Finally. I am not happy with today's result, but I'm still gonna upload this thing on YouTube and try to be better next time. I'm sorry for inconvenience. I'm very, very sorry. Bye for now.